Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this no foundation, no concealer, basically no complexion product makeup look. I've been seeing these videos go around on YouTube for like the last month or so, like no foundation looks, but I have yet to see anyone do like a no foundation, no concealer look. So this can be good for you if you're like me and you're not really going anywhere and you kind of want to give your skin a break from complexion products. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy it and find it useful. I really hope you guys are doing well in this crazy time. I hope that you know we're not alone. Everyone is kind of feeling the same anxiety. I know I have been. It hit me kind of late, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it wasn't right away, but it has hit me. But anyways, so that's what this video is going to be about. If you guys enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, be sure to turn on all your notifications and let me know in the comments section if you like this look or not. All right, let's get started. All right, so let's get started. So clearly I'm not going to be starting with foundation, but what I'm going to be using is a cream blush. So a lot like the makeup community here on YouTube, we've been liking cream blush a lot, and I also have been loving cream blush. So I'm going to be using this first. So when I don't wear any complexion products, I like to pick the focal point of my look and then kind of work around it. But I'm going to be using this. So this is the 3CE Take a Layer Multi-Pot in Primula. So this is what it looks like. It looks really red on camera, but in person, it's more of like a berry color. So I'm going to be taking that on my finger like so. And I'm going to be applying a little bit to the back of my hand just to kind of like even it out. And I'm going to start applying this to my cheeks. Okay, with whatever's left, I'm going to put it across the bridge of my nose a little bit. So next to set that, I'm going to go in with a powder blush. So kind of like how you put foundation on and then you can set your foundation with a powder. I like to go over my cream blush with a powder blush. So for powder blush, I'm going to be taking this one by Becca Cosmetics. This is their luminous blush in the color Dahlia. So it's basically the same thing, a berry colored blush. This is a shimmery blush, but it's not like super noticeable, so I really like it. Take a little bit and tap off the excess on my hand because this is really pigmented, and just apply it lightly right over the area. And then take whatever's left and put it on my nose. This is gonna fade throughout the day, so I know it looks really, really heavy, and I actually am kind of putting on a lot today, but it's gonna fade. So as you can see, I'm basically resembling rosacea. I just like this coloring because I think it looks more like a flushed face, which I have been liking because I think it kind of blurs the appearance of your skin really well, and kind of takes away from the fact that you don't have any complexion products on. Even if it's not a super like berry color like this, like with a pink or even like an orange or something like that, I like to use it to kind of blur the appearance of my skin. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with a bronzer. So this is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is one of my faves. This is in the medium to dark shade, and I'm going to use the center shade more so. But yeah, I'm just taking a little bit, and I kind of like to go on the areas where I look a little bit more washed out in comparison to the rest of my body, if that makes sense. Like, the bottom half of my face is a little warmer than the top half, so I like to go in and kind of fix those areas to make it match the bottom half of my face. And that way it looks a lot more even, and it doesn't even look like you have like a bunch of makeup on. So that's the kind of look I want to go for. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my brow products. So the main brow products I've been using are 2 to 3 products. It kind of depends on the look I end up doing. But yeah, so the first item I'm going to go in with is the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in dark brown. So they made brow gels, and I bought this like a long time ago, and I didn't really know how to use it, but I got around to figuring out how to use it. So basically what you want to do is you take it out and it's really tiny. They make mini ones, and I just get off the excess first, and then I'm gonna brush through my brows. My brows are kind of doing their own thing right now. I kind of messed them up. So that's why they look a little less organized than you think they should. That's why. But yeah, so I just start at the arch And I tend to look in a mirror that is a little bit farther away from me. Yeah, I'm almost out of this, which is why I'm like going so ham with it. I just take a Q-tip and try to fix it. Okay, and next what I'm gonna do is go in with my dip brow gel, actually, because some areas of my face I just don't have hair. Like the beginning of this brow just does not want to fill in. I'm trying to let it grow out. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my dip brow gel in the color dark brown and wipe off the excess on the front of my hand like that. And I'm gonna start, if you can see, I'm gonna start up here, fill in that bald spot, and then I'm gonna fill in a little bit more up here. And then to set those in place, I'm gonna take the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and just go over everything. So next I'm gonna start working on the eyes. So I'm gonna take some Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm going to apply some to my eyelids. I kind of applied a little too much over there, so just share with this eye. I'm also gonna put whatever's left on the inner corner. So to start off my eye look, I'm gonna highlight. So I'm gonna be using a Becca highlighter. This is the Shimmery Skin Perfector in Opal. I actually repurchased this recently. Mine was starting to expire. It's crazy. I've been doing makeup long enough for my powder products to have expired. So this was actually one of the items. I could tell something was wrong, and like the texture was a little off. So yeah, I repurchased it. They make the mini ones now, so they're a lot more affordable. I can't think of words today. So yeah, I'm going to be highlighting the center of my nose and my my cupid's bow, the center of my nose, so like the tip of my nose, and I also I can't talk. And I also do the bridge of my nose a little bit, and then I like to hit the sides of my face. I tilt my head and I see where I naturally have a highlight, and I just like hit that area. I don't know if you can see that. And then I also will take whatever's left and put it on the brow bone, wiping off the excess usually because I don't want it to look too heavy. Next I'm going to do my inner corner with the same product, and I always do this no matter what. I just put a little bit, wipe off the excess, and then really work the product into that area like that. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I don't do anything super crazy. I think you could probably guess that by now. All I'm going to be doing is applying some colors to my crease, and then I'll show you how I do like my lid colors, how I tie everything together. So I'm just going to take a transition color. So I'm going to use my Tartelette Flirt palette. Looks like this. And I'm going to go into the shade that's down here. This is in the color Playful. This is a really nice medium, like more cool tone brown. So yeah, taking a little bit on the brush, and I'm also tapping off on the excess. Did I just say tapping it off on the excess? Tapping off the excess. I can't talk today. Yeah, I've been doing that lately because a lot of times when I try to do that whole, just one color in the crease type of thing, it always ends up looking a little heavy, especially on my like smaller eyes. I don't need a lot of product, and with pigmented products, I only need a little bit. So I just put a little bit on the outer corner and a little underneath my eyes as well. And then I'm going to take, so this is an eyeliner that is actually expired, but I'm waiting. It's not expired, but it makes my eyes itch, so I can't really use it, but I'll use it for you guys today. So yeah, this is the Essence Beauty Kajal pencil. It's basically the Essence Beauty brown eyeliner pencil. I saw this at CVS. It's like $2 or $3. I used to use Essence Beauty like a long time ago, back when I first started wearing makeup and didn't want to like spend a lot. Okay, I'm also gonna curl my lashes really quickly. Alright, for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Becca highlighter once again. I'm going to take a little bit on my finger. I press it in really, tap off the excess, and I'm going to just swipe this on the center of my eyelid and I kind of tap it. I use the warmth of my finger to press it onto the area. I always keep a clean finger handy. And as you can see, I kind of go in like windshield wipe, like windshield shape, not exactly wiping, but like I tap it up until there's nothing left on my eyelid. Nothing left, what? So there's nothing left on my finger. And then, yeah, I do go past the crease line. If you watched my previous makeup video, I talked about how I've been liking blurring my crease line because it kind of blurs the appearance of like where the crease line is, I think. If you understand what I'm trying to say, hopefully you do. But yeah, it kind of blurs where the crease line is. And then I'm going to take this palette right here. So this is the Etude House Color Play Mini Eyeshadow Palette in the Red Nose Reindeer. Isn't it cute? This is from their like holiday collection last year, and it's actually like, you know how like you would see those like kids books at the library and they would have like the farm animals and you could like feel the textures? It's like that. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Okay, and I'm going to be taking the center shade right here. And this is a really cool like topper shade. And I'm going to be just lightly applying that right over where I put the Becca eyeshadow. And once again, I'm drifting upwards to kind of blur where the crease line is and make my eyelids appear a little bit bigger. Like that. But I'm really liking a center eyelid shimmer lately. And as you can see, I like layering my glitters. So I'll put something that has like a little bit more of a base color but not as much shine, and then I'll put a really shiny color right on top. And whatever's left, I'll just stick on my inner corner. And I'll take a Q-tip and just clean that right up. So now I want to deepen up the crease a little bit more. Now that I see the highlight color, I like how it's looking, but I want to deepen up the crease a little more. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This has been one of my most used palettes lately for crease colors especially. As you can see, it's providing a lot of dark crease colors. So I'm going to be taking the color Rustic. And I highly recommend tapping off the excess and putting a little bit on your hand because these are so pigmented. Like, oh, my water. Sorry. As I was saying, these are very pigmented. So, yeah, watch out. Because I feel like what ends up happening is I put too much and then this looks like a nighttime smoky eye. And it's like I'm trying to keep it more daytime. So again, tapping off the excess, rubbing it on, tapping onto the back of my hand to get the excess off kind of helps keep it a little bit more soft. Okay, and then I'm going to take a brush like this. It's more like a flat eyeliner brush. This is from e.l.f. So I'm going to take the color Noir, which is just the black eyeshadow in the corner right there. I'm going to press it into the palette, tap off the excess, and wipe it off. This is so pigmented. And I'm going to take it and just stamp it on the outer corner. It's nice having a brush like this that's straight because you can just like slide it wherever you want, just to kind of extend my lash line. Okay, what I want to do is go back with a little more highlighter. I feel like my brow bone highlight isn't as strong as I want it to be. I already curled my lashes, so now I'm just going to apply some mascara. I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Just wiping off the excess. This is starting to like get really clumpy, so I actually have a different mascara coming in the mail, so this gets really clumpy. Especially if you're like me and you have like thin, long lashes. It's just not a good combination. However, this does layer well on top of itself, so I am able to build up my length. What I like to do is close my eye and just hit the tips of my lashes, especially on the ends. I really need to stop sleeping on my face because I'm really messing up my lashes and they don't lay how I want. Looking a little more alive. Okay, so I'm gonna take some chapstick and I'm gonna take some lip colors. So I've really been loving the Milani Ludicrous lip glosses lately. These are what they look like. I have a few colors. Really been loving these lately. They're so pretty. So yeah, and they're cruelty-free. I've been trying to use more cruelty-free products, so I was happy to know that they are cruelty-free. So the first color I'm going to go in with is the color Teen Spirit, which is the color, the number 130. I'm just going to hit the center of my lip. I apply this a little strategically. I kind of apply it here because I get like a little bit of darkness. So I like to use this to kind of like blur the appearance of my lips if I have any discoloration. So I apply a little of that. And then on top of it, I'm going to use the color Whatever, which is the number 200. Can you see that? Yeah, there you go. It's a really pretty like rosy gold color. I'm just going to swipe that on the center to use it as like, it's really subtle, you can't even tell. But it adds a little bit of like a rosy tint to it. But yeah. Last thing I'm going to do is just blot my face because I've become a little bit oily since we started filming. And I find that keeping my skin matte helps make it look a little more polished. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed finding out how I achieved this no foundation, no concealer, basically no complexion product makeup look. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and let me know in the comment section if you like this look or not. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!